Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate in Revit step by step. Revit includes powerful collaboration features that allow multiple architects, engineers, and designers to work on the same project while keeping changes organized and synchronized. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and make sure everyone on your team is using a compatible version of Revit. For team collaboration, projects are commonly shared through Autodesk Construction Cloud, BIM Collaborate Pro, or a shared network location, depending on your organization's workflow. Next, if you're creating a collaborative project, enable Worksharing by going to the Collaborate tab and clicking Worksets. Revit will create default worksets and allow multiple team members to work on different parts of the project without constantly overwriting each other's changes. Once Worksharing is enabled, save the project as a central model or publish it to your cloud collaboration platform if your team uses Autodesk Cloud Services. Each team member should open the project by creating a local copy, which keeps everyone's work synchronized with the central model. As you work, click Synchronize with Central regularly from the Collaborate tab. This uploads your changes, downloads updates from other team members, and helps prevent editing conflicts throughout the project. Before finishing your work session, synchronize your latest changes, save your local file, and communicate with your team if you've modified important building elements or worksets that may affect other users. And that's it. You now know how to collaborate in Revit using Worksharing and shared project models for efficient team-based BIM workflows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!